Hello dear students. Yesterday we have discussed about knockout and round robin tournament definitions. Now today we are going to discuss about the knockout fixture procedure. As you know that knockout tournament, a team continues to play further matches as per schedule till defeated. That is, a team gets eliminated to play further if defeated or loses. In knockout tournament, number of the matches are one less than the number of teams. That is, if the number of teams are n, then number of matches can be obtained by the formula n minus 1. If there are 7 teams, the number of matches, total number of matches will be 7 minus 1, that is 6. In knockout tournaments, sometimes buys are given to adjust the fixture as well as to improve or to give privilege to teams to play in the next round of matches. Why the privilege is given? A team that is given bye does not play in the first round. Bye is an opportunity to play the match in higher round without playing in the lower round. These are given to adjust the fixture as well as to give privilege to teams to play in next round. It is only given in knockout tournament. Bye is also a necessity to complete the draw. Methods of preparing fixtures in knockout tournament. Total number of matches, as I told you, that is n minus 1, where n is the number of teams. As many teams we have, we should try to divide teams in two halves. That half can be considered as upper half and lower half. Upper half can be decided by the formula n plus 1 by 2. That is number of teams added to 1 and total is divided by 2. If suppose there are 7 teams, then upper half there should be 7 plus 1 by 2, that is 8 by 2, equal to 4 teams. And lower half n minus 1 by 2, that is 7 minus 1, 6 by 2, that is 3. So those 7 teams we can adjust in upper half as in 4 teams and lower half as having 3 teams. Buys are given in the first round only. Buys are not given any other second round or other stages of the tournament or fixture. So it is adjusted only in the first round. And how to give the buys? Number of buys is equal to 2 to the power x minus number of teams, where 2 to the power x should be greater than the number of teams. Suppose there are 7 teams. So we will calculate the nearest power of 2. Nearest power of 2. So 2 to the power 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Total number of buys will be calculated as 8 minus the number of team, that is 7, is equal to 1. So there will be only one buy in the fixture. If n is an even number, then upper half is equal to lower half. Both will be equal. So we can simply calculate it by n by 2, where number of buys is equal to 2 to the power x. The same way we are going to calculate. And number of rounds will be x. As such, the power of 2. How to calculate buys? Buys adjustment, suppose for 13 teams. The nearest power of 2 is 4. It should be more than the number of teams. So we cannot take 13 or we cannot take 8 because it is less than 13. So we will calculate more nearest power of 2 more than 13, that is 16, is equal to 2 to the power 4, where power represents x, which is the number of rounds. So there will be 4 rounds in the match, and number of buys total to the power 4 is equal to 16. Number of teams is 13. So 16 minus 13 is equal to 3. So there will be 3 buys given in the fixture. Suppose we are calculating for 23 teams, So we have to calculate the power of 2 up to 5. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. So total number of byes we can calculate by this 32 minus the number of teams, that is 23. So we will get 9 byes. And 2 to the power 5, where x represents the number of round. So there will be 5 rounds in the fixture. So this is the way how to calculate byes and how to calculate the number of rounds. You already know how to calculate the number of matches. So these are the important points. How to calculate the number of matches, number of byes, number of rounds, and then you are going to adjust the fixture. How to provide byes to different teams. That is also can be adjusted by some rules, and the rules are that first bye is to be given to the last team of lower half. Means whatever the last team of the lower half, they will get the first bye. Second bye is given to the first team of upper half. Third bye is given to the first team of lower half, and fourth bye is given to the last team of upper half. So this is for 4 byes. If there are more than 4 byes, we will continue the same pattern for the rest teams. I hope you all have understood the things which we have discussed today. Go through certain videos if you want to, like on YouTube or something. You can see related to the fixture. It is very important regarding the exam point of view. So hope so you understand it further, and if you want to know anything else about this, you can comment on YouTube. And today's assignment, you have to prepare a knockout fixture for 4 teams and 7 teams. 4 teams are even numbers and 7 teams are odd numbers. So you have to calculate everything, the number of matches, number of rounds, and number of byes. And keep it safe. I will ask it further. Till then, remain safe, have good food and exercise every day. Thank you.